Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to force quit an application on a Mac OS. Click Go. Click Utilities. I want to quit Xcode application. Click Information. Click Quit. Click Force Quit. Xcode application is successfully closed. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.